Hello, trading is closed on November 1st, 2016. I said unless we gapped over yesterday's highs, we were in for some downside. We had an optional MEJT target of 2130.66. I thought it was an increased risk of failing to print, but it did print. The high of the day was 2131.45 within fraction of 1 point, and we reversed after that. During the day, MEJT gave a sell signal in the afternoon, after which we rallied to the MEJT resistance levels. But early on it said this drop was not for keeps and gives us a target of 2124.01, most likely to print by early Thursday. Well, that looks pretty far away, even after some recovery here, but I think it has a chance of printing, particularly if we gap up. Here's why. First of all, we had an all-day drop and we couldn't close under the middle of the day low. We had a number of price targets that were satisfied and some demarked signals to buy. This is a 78-minute chart. This is a TDST line from months ago. That's a support level at that price of the bar, 78. Here's a 65-minute chart. This is a TDST line. Note we have an early bar 13 of a sequential signal to buy. In alignment with that, here's the 15-minute chart. Here's bar 13 of a sequential signal to buy. Here's an early finish of a combo buy signal. Here's bar 13 finishing early, right at an old TDST line. So all those things from Tom DeMark are saying we could have a rally, in addition to the fact that we couldn't hold on to this low. Now this is in conflict with the break of this line here. This break is a valid break and gives us a target of going under the line by the same distance we went over it. And if we dropped immediately, that would be about 2048. The catch is you need confirmation by going under today's close by at least a tick. So if we were to have a gap over this line, which is essentially at the close, the signal, the break, would be invalidated, even though breaks which are invalidated turn out working later anyway. We had a few price targets we mentioned. One was that this futures low should be undercut. That happened today. We also said we should go under the price of the FOMC announcement by an amount greater than the amount we went over it. And that happened today. We had a trade under 2107.71, so we took care of that. We had this untested futures low, took care of that. I said that this spike low would have to fall at some time. We took care of that. However, it's possible we've now completed an ABC down. Let's go over the Fibonacci relationships at the low. This, I believe, is a valid count for ABC. If this is A, you can take the height of wave C and see a nice Fibonacci relationship with the height of A. You can also take this as the height of A. See, it's equal to the height of C. It actually comes closer than that. That's pretty close for me. You can see how this A and the B go right in the Fibonacci 61.8 and 38.2. And it's also interesting that if that is the correct count, that wave green A and green C are equal to each other. We have a number of things saying that we should go higher tomorrow. We have a price target of 2124.01. Even though I think this spike low has to be undercut at some time, and even though breadth continues to drop, all those signals I gave, plus the fact that the old VIX is printing a bar completely over the upper Bollinger Band, all signal we could have a good rally tomorrow, targeting at least 2124.01, but if we don't gap up, I'd be a little bit suspicious. Don't forget you're going against the trend with this call, but that's my call for tomorrow.